Hi. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the continue and break, okay, within the nested loops. All right. So here I have a code, all right, and basically what it does is it has an outer loop, okay, of 5 iterations, an inner loop of 10 iterations, all right. And what I'm doing is for each outer loop, I'm printing out the 10 iteration loop count. All right, so outer loop 0, 0 to 9, outer loop 1, 0 to 9, and so on. Okay, now let's see the impact of the continue and break in this code over here. All right, so if I were to put a statement, if I equal to 2, okay, and I put a break. Alright, so from the earlier video, we know that when I execute a break, alright, I will exit, okay, I will skip the rest of the code, okay, for the current iteration, and I will actually exit out of the loop. I will not go back to do anything else. Alright, I'll continue from the end point of the loop. So in this case, there is nothing else. I will end the program. Alright, so let's see that happening. Okay, so you can see down here that for outer loop 0 I print, outer loop 1 I print. When outer loop 2, alright, when I is equal to 2, I print this line, and after that then I check and I realize that I satisfy this condition, so I break. So I do not execute any part of the loop anymore, and I continue from outside the loop, okay, or after the end of the loop. Okay, now if I were to put a continue over here instead of a break, alright, what would happen is I would go to the end of the for loop, alright, only for this current iteration, alright, and then I will continue with the next iteration of the loop. Okay, so what will happen when I equals to 2 and I continue, I will not execute this inner loop. Okay, I will not execute this inner loop. I will only execute this statement here, this outer loop printout statement, and then I will skip this inner loop and I'll go back and continue for I equals to 3. Alright, so let's see that happening. Okay, so you can see down here that when outer loop 0, I print the inner loop. Outer loop 1, I print the inner loop. When outer loop is 2, I do not print this inner loop because I execute this continue statement, which means I go to the end of the for loop and I straight away start the next iteration of the loop, which is outer loop 3, and then followed by outer loop 4. Okay, so do try it out on your own, alright, and you will see how break and continue can alter the behavior of the code, alright, in a normal loop or in a nested loop. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.